Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a baddie in Roblox. Sorry, I'm laughing a little bit because the outfit's like funny, kind of like the. Okay, you know what? Let's just get started. I'm just on catalog avatar. Go to catalog. I'm not going to obviously purchase any, but you're just going to type in baddie. Here you can find some baddie outfits, some baddie. You know what? Actually, I'm just going to change to this outfit first, and then I'll look up baddie. I think we're gonna do this one. I really like this hair. I'm just gonna remove the other one though, as well as the accessories. And then let's find some baddie faces. Where did I search for mine? I think I searched it up in accessories actually for the baddie look. Okay, that is bugged. I'm also going to remove this face first. Dear God, those are some humongous hoop earrings. I don't know what baddies wear, like hoop earrings, but not like that big, you know? Maybe like this one. Can't even see it. Anyways, let's do the outfit, like a baddie outfit. Okay, we're just going to wear this first, and then we're going to go to the body. Search for baddie torso. There's a lot of options that you can choose from, I guess. For the pants, I think I'm gonna do invisible pants. Let's do legs first. Oh my gosh, she's looking more like a baddie. I don't think I'm gonna change the arms, and then for the clothing, let's go back to classic pants and do like the invisible one. Okay, slay. Or you can like do shoes and stuff, but yeah, that is it. Maybe like find a baddie. Maybe this one. Try. Okay, yes. Well, she obviously, oh my God, can I talk? She obviously needs shoes. Let's go back to, okay, I'll be right back. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.